大家好, welcome back to my channel. Today we're diving into Chinese sentence final particles. These tiny words can enhance your conversations and make you sound more fluent. So let's get started on mastering these particles. Sentence final particles are small words that you add at the end of the sentence to convey a specific tone, emotion, or meaning. Today we'll cover some of the most common particles and show you how to use them effectively. Ba. The particle ba can be used to make suggestions, express assumptions, or soften the tone of a statement. When you want to make a suggestion, you can add ba at the end of the sentence. This makes it sound more polite and friendly. Example, 我们去公园吧. Let's go to the park. 我们去公园吧. You can also use ba to express an assumption or a guess. Adding ba indicates that you are not entirely sure about the information, but you think it's likely to be true. Example, 他应该在家吧. He should be at home, I guess. 他应该在家吧. Sometimes you might want to soften the tone of a statement. In this case, you can add ba to make it sound more gentle and polite. Example, 你可以帮我一下吧? Can you help me, please? 你可以帮我一下吧? Now let's move on to the next particle, ne. Ne is often used to ask questions, indicate continuation, and to add a mood. If someone asks you a question, you can use ne to ask the same question back. For example, 我是中国人,你呢? I'm Chinese. What about you? 我是中国人,你呢? 我在学校,你呢? I'm at school. What about you? 我在学校,你呢? Ne can also be used to ask where something or someone is. Example, 你的书呢? Where's your book? 你的书呢? 你爸爸呢? Where's your dad? 你爸爸呢? The third function of ne is to emphasize that an action or situation is still ongoing. Example, 我还在学习呢. I'm still studying. 我还在学习呢. Ne can add a certain mood or attitude to a sentence. For example, it can make you sound more confident and persuasive in a conversation. Examples, 我不要睡觉,还早呢. I don't want to sleep. It's still early. 我不要睡觉,还早呢. 妈妈在工作呢,不可以和你一起玩. Mom is working and cannot play with you. 妈妈在工作呢,不可以和你一起玩. The particle is often used to convey a sense of urgency, exclamation, or excitement. Let's look at the use cases one by one. Adding can have a similar effect as an exclamation mark in English. Examples, 对啊, you are right. 对啊,真好吃啊. It's so delicious. 真好吃啊. 他非常帅啊. He's really handsome. 他非常帅啊. When you want to express surprise, you can add to make your reaction sound more genuine and natural. Example, 真的啊? Really? 真的啊? You can also use to express that you are not entirely sure about the information and are seeking confirmation. For example, 你确定啊? Are you sure? 你确定啊? Sometimes you might want to add to emphasize that you agree with someone. For example, 对啊,我也这么觉得. Yep, I think so too. 对啊,我也这么觉得. 可以啊,我们明天8点见. Okay, see you tomorrow at 8 o'clock. 可以啊,我 我们明天8点见。R can also impart a sense of urgency to a statement and make it sound like a command. Examples: 10点了，快去上班啊。It's 10 o'clock, go to work. 10点了，快去上班啊。你去不去啊？ Are you going or not? 你去不去啊？你买不买啊？ Are you buying or not? 你买不买啊？ Ma. The particle ma can be used to express a sense of obviousness, persuasion, or to soften a statement. To express that something is obvious, you can add ma. This conveys that the information should be clear or known to the listener. Example: 他是老师嘛 He's a teacher, after all. 他是老师嘛 You can also use ma to persuade someone or to make a suggestion sound more appealing. Example: 一起吃饭嘛 Let's go eat together, shall we? 一起吃饭嘛 Sometimes ma is used to make a statement sound softer or less direct. Example: 别生气嘛 Don't be angry, okay? 别生气嘛You can use ma when you're explaining or emphasizing a point. Example: 你知道吗？学中文很有趣。You know, learning Chinese is really interesting. 你知道吗？学中文很有趣。The particle ma enables the speaker to introduce a topic and then pause to collect their thoughts before commenting on it. Examples: 别墅嘛，一定很贵。Well, it's a villa. It must be very expensive. 别墅嘛，一定很贵。学习语言嘛，最重要的就是每天练习。When it comes to language learning, the most important thing is daily practice. 学习语言嘛，最重要的就是每天练习。The particle ya is used to express a sense of friendliness, to soften a statement, or make a question sound more polite. When you want to express friendliness or create a more casual tone in a conversation, add ya. Example: 你好呀 Hi there. 你好呀 Ya can make basically any statement sound softer. Example: 这个好吃呀This translates to "this is delicious," but the addition of ya makes the statement sound more casual and less assertive. Sometimes you want to make a question sound more polite and less intrusive. In this case, you can add ya. Example: 你叫什么名字呀 What's your name, please? 你叫什么名字呀 And that's it for today's lesson on Chinese sentence final particles. Now remember to practice these words when you get the chance. And if you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more videos on learning Chinese. 好了，我是 Angel，我们下次见。